My dear student, welcome! I am so excited to welcome you to this masterpiece about digital marketing. If you have been business owner or you have been helping local businesses, you truly need this course. Why? We have created for you very special templates. So no matter if you need to reach out important people to support you, if you need better Instagram, Facebook post, better Google My Business, or you finally need to know how to cope with reviews or have better TripAdvisor, this course is the best you can find. All the templates are ready-made, you just copy, paste, adjust, and the most important, all this course is great fun. So it's high quality voiceover, animated quizzes, writing assignments. So please welcome, enjoy this course. I am so happy to welcome you as my new student.